Click on the link below to get price. The Jetson Bolt Electric Bike is an impressive blend of functionality, style, and portability, making it an excellent choice for urban commuters and casual riders alike. Its standout feature is the easy folding design, which allows users to quickly collapse the bike for storage or transport. This is particularly useful for those living in apartments or who frequently need to take their bike on public transport. Weighing in at around 36 pounds, the Jetson Bolt is lightweight enough to carry comfortably, thanks to its built-in carrying handle. Performance-wise, the Jetson Bolt features a powerful 250W motor that provides ample speed for city riding. With a top speed of up to 15.5 miles per hour, it offers a thrilling yet manageable ride. The twist throttle gives riders precise control over acceleration, making it easy to navigate through busy streets or accelerate quickly from a stop. The bike can travel up to 15 miles on a single charge, which is impressive for its size and price point, allowing for a full day of commuting without the need to recharge. The addition of foot pegs enhances comfort for both the rider and any passengers, making short trips more enjoyable. The bike's 12-inch tires provide a smooth ride, although they may not handle rough terrain as well as larger tires would. The Jetson Bolt's frame design is sleek and modern, and it comes in several attractive color options, allowing riders to express their style. One drawback to consider is the limited range, which might not suffice for longer commutes, but for short trips and errands, it performs excellently. Additionally, the bike lacks advanced features like a display for speed and battery life, which some users may find inconvenient. Overall, the Jetson Bolt Electric Bike is an affordable and practical option for those seeking a compact electric bike that excels in urban settings. Its combination of portability, ease of use, and adequate performance makes it a worthwhile investment for both new and experienced riders.